The next question comes from a guy. He says, how do I get my wife to lose weight? All right, good question. First of all, this video is for men only. If you're a female, click off right now. Don't watch this, all right? All right, good. Okay, now guys, listen. The absolute best way to get your wife to lose weight, hands down, is to pay her cash. In other words, I found the more money that you pay her, the more motivated she'll be. $5,000 does work. $10,000 works better. That was a joke, all right? Now, don't worry about the cash. Here's what you don't do. I mean, I hear the most terrible, terrible things that some men do to their spouses that I'm just shocked. I mean, like, listen, like you're hugging your wife and you say, hey, you want to work out, and you pinch her fat? Dude, that's terrible. Don't do that. You're at dinner and she orders something and maybe she's eating something that she shouldn't, and you go, honey, what are you doing? I thought you want to lose weight. That doesn't work. Or, honey, why don't you go lose weight? Like she doesn't know she's overweight. The more you remind someone of a problem, the more you get more of that problem. You have to use a very light touch. You get what you validate. So if you're validating her being fat, you're going to get more of that. You want to validate the rightness, the times that she did work out. Use a very, very light touch. So let's say, for example, you could say something like this, honey, I'm going to go work out. Do you want to come with? And if she says no, totally fine. Don't make her feel guilty. So you just have to stop invalidating your spouse, because all that does is it locks in more grief, upset, frustration. You got to use a light touch, validate the rightness, bite your tongue, and really try to support her without reminding her. She knows she needs to lose weight. You don't need to remind her. But if that doesn't work, I think the cash might work.